Good morning, Kurt here with Teach Mom How. Today, I'm going to show you how to add widgets to your home screen on your iPhone. This is my home screen. These are my widgets. I like to keep it nice and clean. These are also widgets, okay? So, just quick explanation of the phrases. These are apps. If I scroll to the left through all my different pages, you'll see all the different apps I have on my phone. Okay. On the home screen, you'll see I have just 3 widgets, or technically these are called widget stacks. These are things I like to see frequently, that I use frequently. And also, if I swipe from the home screen, if I swipe to the right, it'll pop up these widgets. So I'm going to show you how to edit what widgets show up on this screen. I forget what they call this screen, the one where you swipe to the right from the home screen. And I'm going to show you how to make widget stacks and widgets appear on your home screen. Okay, so let's start with, I actually opened one of the widgets. Let's start with swiping to the right and adding widgets to this screen. Click edit, click, by the way, that will cause them to start shaking. You can then hit the minus button and it will remove them from your screen. I'm not sure why it doesn't let me remove ADT from there, but I removed it. Okay, so edit, then add, and you choose your widget. So what is a widget? A widget is something that some of the apps that you have on your phone will make, and they're just a quick reference to information. If you click on them, you can open the app as well. So I could add my notes to it, and I can choose the size. Add that. Add another widget. We could choose habit. Choose the size. Choose what size I want it to be. Let's keep it small so it'll go next to that. Add this. Let's add, we can add Robin Hood, that's fine. Choose what size you want, add the widget. Now when you're done, click done, okay? Now, if you want to move these around, you can click edit home screen and move them around, or remove it, okay? Or click edit again. I can move the position of these, I can delete them, or I can add more by clicking the plus button in the top left. Click done. All right, so that's on my screen when I swipe to the right, what I see there. Whoops, I hate that. And then if I swipe on the home screen, if I want to add widgets and widget stacks, I'll show you how to do that. I don't want to mess with my first page here, so I'm going to do it on my second page. All right, simply hold your finger in a space where you have no widgets. So I'm holding it down here at the bottom, and it will cause them all to shake. Then I click the add button in the top left, and now I can add widgets. Choose whatever widget I want to do. You can also search for an app, or you can scroll down till you find all your apps that come with widgets, and you can click add. Choose what size you want, add the widget. Okay, and that will add it to your home screen. If you're done, click done. Now, what's a widget stack? Let me show you. A widget stack is where you have multiple widgets sharing the same space on your screen. You'll see to the right of this top stack, you see 4 dots. That's because I have 4 widgets in this space. And what'll happen is it'll auto-rotate. Every time I come in here, it'll rotate to a different one. Or I can swipe up or down to a different widget. Same thing with this middle stack. You'll see 4 dots. I have 4 widgets here I can swipe between. Bottom stack, you'll see I have like 7 dots. I can swipe between these different widgets. Okay? That's a widget stack. So here's how you make one. We've created this widget. Let's do a smaller widget. Oops, sorry. Let's remove this. I'm going to do a smaller widget just because it's easier for me to show you on my screen. All right, add the widget. Now I want to add a second widget. To make a widget stack, they have to be the same size. Okay, you can't combine 2 different sizes. But once I have the 2 widgets on there, I hold one down and I drag it over the top of the other one. I've got to get it just right on top of it, and I let go. Now I've created a widget stack. Let's add one more. Click on it, drag it, let it go. You'll see to the right of that there's 3 dots now. I can swipe up or down to switch between these. Click done. Okay, so that is how you create a widget stack and a widget on your home screen. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to my page. It really helps. One last thing, if you decide you want to change this, hold down on it. You can remove the stack, edit the home screen, or edit the stack. Or you can hold down where there's nothing in an empty space. And it'll cause everything to start to shake. I can add new widgets with the top left, or I can click the minus button and delete that. All right, click done. So there you have it. Go play with it. Go make your home screen look nice and tidy, and have quick access to the widgets and information that you want to see quickly and easily on a regular basis.